We are pleased to show you the 2022 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, wheel covers, privacy glass, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, tires front all season, tires rear all season, brake assist. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.